the first version of HTML was written by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993. Since then, there have been many different versions of HTML. The most widely used version throughout the 2000s was HTML 4.01, which became an official standard in December 1999. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a document designed to be displayed in a web browser. It can be assisted by technologies such as CSS and scripting language such as JavaScript or PHP. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements such as buttons, text field, text, a paragraph. This is an example of HTML document. The doc type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head elements contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies the title of the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or the page tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all visible contents such as headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, table, list, and etc. The H1 element defined the large heading. There are 6 heading elements such as H1, H2, H3 up to H6, and the P element defines a paragraph. So what is an HTML element? An HTML element defined by start tag, some content, and an end tag. The HTML element is everything from start tag to end tag, such as, for example, H1, that is a starting tag, the content, and then ends with the H1 end tag.
So far, you have been introduced to HTML basic syntaxes. One of it is HTML tags, and there are lots of tags to cover. But today we will just tackle some of them. Now as you run these tags, it will appear in their default properties. For example, I created a body tag, and the background of the body is white. Maybe I want to change the color of the background. Similarly, I want to change the alignment of the first heading from left to the center or to the right part of the web page. Now for you to be able to do that, you'll need to use attributes. Now, by the way, what is attributes? Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. So all the HTML elements can have attributes. So again, an element is an HTML tag and the content inside of it. So as you can see in our notepad, here is an example of an element. So this one, the start tag, the heading 1, and then the content, and then after that the end tag. So this is an element. So I hope it makes sense. Sige, karon ato ko gawing demonstration. May tungod aning attributes. So as you can see sa akong notepad, the screen, na first nakabutang sa HTML nga element kaning length, amo ni siyang attribute nga akong gigamit para ang web page naka-base lang siya sa English, no? English pages. So akon siya sa US. Karon akong i-change ang background sa akong body into purple, and this is the result. The next Siyempre natay title page, title sa tong web page, and then proceed ta sa tong heading. So ang first heading nako, ang first element kani, not first element but the element sa akong kuan heading mo ni siya. Nag-start off ko sa h1 tag, and then followed by attribute name, and then the value, and then the text, my first heading, and then end with end tag, and mo ni ang result asa sa center ang akong heading, first heading. Next, ang nabantay nyo itong linya sa akong kuan web page kani siya. So kaning HR tag, suppose iyaran tungaon ang page, mag-create siya line, but 50% lang akong gamit through using by using with attribute. And the next one is P tag, stands for paragraph, and then ang text na akong paragraph is our professor is a genius. Now ginana ko siya i-change ang color, turn ako siya into red. So this is the result, color red. And the next one is I use the a tag, which is anchored, meaning it's about hyperlink siya, and create kag hypertext kani siya, visit this link nga na siya mo na text, and then imo i-embed dia ang kani nga link in BA, and then akong i-change ang color into green ani nga text. So mo na ang result, kani color green kani siya. So not wise color ni siya kay dili mabasa kayo, pero kung i-click niman siya magawas ang website nga akong gi-link. That's all for now. Thank you for listening.
So hi everyone, so let's demo simple basic syntax of HTML. So first you download or text editor like Notepad++ to create HTML docs, and use browser to open the HTML docs. So first we start to write the opening tag. This is the opening tag HTML. This is just example lang ni, and then the closing it tag HTML, pero yun ang duha, opening ug closing. So sa ato HTML ang butang tag head niya, so right head, then the closing tag head, and then ito HTML, magbutang tao gato ang body opening tag, and then the closing tag, and then ito ang head, but natin siya example title niya, homepage, example ni homepage title, and then sa tuwang body then S sentence naman, kung P paragraph, W word, so S lang sentence. And then example, I'm remark handsome, closing tag. So muna ito na siya, try natin siya save as, and then sa HTML sa save as type, ilis na nato ni siya og hypertext na RAM markup language file, lista na siya ni, and then save. Makita natin siya sa folder na nakabutang naka-save nara HTML, siya to siyang i-open. So di ba homepage nara, tong head na to is homepage, title niya is homepage, then nato ang body I'm remark handsome. Tumura na siya guys. Say regarding po sa comment, kung magbutang mo tag comment, then gina-ignore na siya sa browser. Then ano man yan syntax sa comment ana, then tara to comment, na save na to, may open outro to. Oh di ba wala.
So in this area, I'm gonna teach you how to put image and video in HTML. So I'm gonna put this Mickey logo and welcome scan in the HTML I made. So I open my HTML and Notepad, and first and foremost, dapat ang mga file na may pamutang is nara sa isa ka folder kung asa ka nagbuhat og HTML or asa na mag-save yung file or Notepad. So gonna put the syntax HTML and head. To create first, I'm gonna title the page as demonstration of HTML. So in body, I made a background which is this picture, the welcome scan or the flower image. I put the name and the extension file of it, and I put a center syntax para sa tunga sa page gid ang mabutang ang image. So this is a syntax img, shows us image, and the source means asa siya nakuha na file or picture or video. So here's the Mickey logo name and the extension, and the closing syntax. This need to put the slash and img in order to close. In this area, I made a statement, shows the title of the music I want to put. In this, how to insert the video, and first need to put this syntax video and the scale of the video, and the source, also the name of the video that I want to put, and the file extension. Controls means it shows the controllers of a video player. There's a pause, full screen, and other controlling for the video. And put the closing syntax slash then video, then closing syntax for body, and a closing syntax for HTML to show and stop. So I'm going to show you the result of that here. No, here. So it's just the background, the welcome scan, scanning the Mickey logo. I want to put in the statement that I told you before in the video. I'm gonna play this video. Here, screen, just use the controls. That's all.
Good afternoon. Ngayon pagbutang og comment sa HTML. So this is a single line comment. Kailangan lang og beginning tag kani siya. Less than operator, exclamation mark, duha ka hyphen, then imuhang sentence comment, duha na sad ka hyphen for ending tag and greater than operator. So kung kulang siya og isa ka hyphen, mahimo na siya og comment pod ang nasa ubos na blue. So dapat yun sakto yang kuan ending tag niya. So color blue. Dili makita ang pag iparan to siya. Dili makita ang comment kay commenting in HTML allows developers to leave notes about their code. So we have multi-line comment. Same lang Japon ay beginning tag and ending tag. Okay, thank you.
So hi guys, since you learn some basic HTML codes or how to do syntax of HTML, then now I'm going to teach you how to add a browser in Notepad++, or how to make your code of HTML. So first, click this run button, then click again the run button, then after click these three dots here, then find this PC or my computer now, and then go to your C drive. After here, there's two program files, which is this is the 64-bit and this is for 32-bit. Since I have a 64-bit operating system, then I'll go with this program file. So now here you just need to find the folder of any browser application like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. So since I have already added a Google Chrome browser in my Notepad++, we'll try to add a Mozilla Firefox to our Notepad++ to run our program to Mozilla Firefox browser. So first click the folder of the Mozilla Firefox, then just find the exe file. So this is the exe file of the Mozilla Firefox, then click open. After here, you just need to edit some thing here. Just put a space, then put this string after you put a space. So let's just copy Then let's insert this string here, then save. So here you just need you can put shortcut keys for you to easy to run your program So first I just need to um, configure these keys, then click Z. So here there's no conflict keys because there's no shortcut keys for Control Alt Z. So it's I show you the what I'm talking about conflicting. So all of them are so F6. So here conflict found because this Control Alt F6 is I use for shortcut on running my program to Chrome. Since I'm running using Mozilla Firefox, I need to change my shortcut keys that will not conflict any other keys. So I use Control Alt Z and just put any name, any name you want. So I'll put Firefox, then click K. So that's it, and just close it. Then let's see if it's added. So here you can see the Firefox is already added in the Notepad++. That's all.